more haircut.
Yeah.
I was gonna say his face, but I can see more of his face. She got a bump on her head too.
John!
No. I would like to put some.
Oh. Ask the lady.
Geez, how does that birthday song go?
Cheese.
How does that birthday song go?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to
Dear.
you. Happy birthday
Dear,
to you.
happy birthday, dear John.
Happy birthday.
To you. Hey, yippee!
Yippee.
Oh.
Cheese. Happy birthday, Don.
Happy birthday, John. Let's see the tools in the tool belt. How do they go in? I see. A little ratchet goes there. Is that right?
Hi, Daddy.
Hi, John. Push it hard. Push it hard. There you go. Okay. Cool. Is tonight your recital?
Okay, let's go.
John doesn't quite stay with the group though. John's got the routine down. Part of everything though. bow, John. Bow. Hey, John. John, there you go. That's it. Bow. Yay.
Oh, good. Okay, trains, let's go.
Dressed up like everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe
Hey, John.
will help
Dancing?
to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow, walking in a winter wonderland. Walking in a winter wonderland. One way is the bluebird, here to stay is the new bird. Sings a love song as we go along.
That's Santa Claus, John. Yeah, John, it's been a while since you've been in there.
Can you stand up?
Stand up, John. No, no. Are you
And we were really lucky because we shot off the road and they were about to hit, and that would kill us. It would have been the front end. Good job! Was in the car, waited the last minute, and said, "Oh, swerve the car."
But before Donald could climb down the tree, the raccoon's head hurried away with all the apples.
Oh, guest reader. Say cheese.
Now Donald was really happy, and it was a long time till morning. I wish Mickey would wake up, he grumbled. The time would go faster if he did.
Pajamas!
This would I come here to school.
Wow,
That's from them too.
What do you got there, Bill?
Oh, Daisy.
Whoa, that's a big house.
Oh, it's even worse on this side.
Oh my gosh, Hi, Mickey! Fishing pole! Yes!
Oh,
Yes.
calm down. Yeah, around that way, get yours.
No idea what to do.
Get the camera. Did you bring yours? Yeah.
Want me to go to the other side?
No, no, go ahead.
There you go.
Did you show Mom that one?
Yeah.
Mickey Mouse.
Where's Michael?
Go push the button. How about you reading something? Nice to put one side of it. Thank you very much.
Oh, beautiful. From Diana. I mean,
Oh, I know what you put them out on the pool deck.
Baby.
Oh, really? At night. And you like to clean them.
Hey, look.
Wow. When she told me she gave it to me. Oh, that's super. I came through at the end.
He doesn't want to do it right now. Do it with you.
There's the party.
Here, I'll do it. Good. Here.
You guys, well done.
Oh.
What do you see, John?
Wow.
You see? Did Santa Claus come? Did Santa Claus come?
Whoa. That thing. Whoa, that thing.
Oh. Santa was here.
Look at that.
Like that air one. That is that.
Oh boy, who brought these? Oh, that one over there?
My husband sees.
Okay, Daddy's gonna open them all.
What's in there, Daddy?
What's in there?
What's in there?
Did you open your stocking? What is that? It's a present.
My answer.
Open it up, John.
Okay, ready, go, John. Ready, push your button. What do you think? Who's winning?
Friends.
Where did you get the crayons, John? Who brought the crayons? Santa Claus?
Santa Claus brought them. Look at
What is it, John?
Open the bathtub.
in the bathtub.
All right, we'll play with the bathtub. John, how does that song go? Rudolph. You know how to Rudolph?
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.
Uh-huh. Had a very shiny nose. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows.
It's a funky snowman.
Frosty the Snowman
Help him, John.
was a jolly, happy soul.
Horse, paper, birds, so may I
Snow.
Snow,
oh,
Frosty,
the
Snowman.
snowman, oh, Frosty, snowman,
Was a jolly.
happy, so quickly,
But-
so
But no, and she
Yay!
lies in a hole.
Yay! Cheese.
Play the song, John.
Play the music, John.
Play the music for the camera.
How does Frosty go?
And if you ever, you would even say it.
Hi, big tiny nose.
And if you ever,
Saw it.
you would even say it.
It goes
Olive,
reindeer.
used to laugh and cough.
Hi, Daddy.
Used to laugh
Hi.
and cough.
Hi, Daddy. Hi.
Can I not sing anymore? How about
Frosty go.
John?
Let's Frosty go.
Rudolph the red nose reindeer had a sandy nose. Rudolph the red nose reindeer had a sandy nose.
Hey, what are the reindeer's names?
Rudolph,
What about Donner and those guys?
listen, commit down a listen, they commit down a listen.
Put it towards
She wants me to watch
Hat on.
Are we going skiing, Mom?
Wish. Okay.
And it's the snowstorm of the century.
Oh, sure,
Day 2. Window.
My window. My window.
It's 2 feet right here.
Good thing I shoveled yesterday. The car?
I dig it shallow.
Yeah. You want to help?
Help. Up there.
Snow everywhere, John.
And she said that way.
Putting things away. What do you have there, John?
Baby dishes.
You do, let's see. And what is it? Baby Jesus' birthday?
Baby dishes birthday.
Okay, let's put them away. Mom's going on an expedition to get the paper.
Someone's got to do it around here.
Little brother or sister in there, John.
My new hat.
I got my earmuffs on.
John, is Mommy properly dressed?
My purple dress.
Okay, bye-bye, Mom.
Starts snowing. I'm gonna have a coffee, okay? You guys have.
Bye-bye, Mom.
I might go slow.
I shoveled that already.
I might do so.
I already shoveled there. Here goes Mommy. Oh, she's coming back. You're going the wrong way. Alright.
Which snow? Flint Drive is the worst of all of them. You wanna go outside for a little bit?
Say cheese, John.
François Mitterrand, il dit François Mitterrand. The last. Yes, yes. Oh oh. Caroline. Tu dois faire ça comme un mouchoir. Ouh.
Okay, Daddy.
I have no more battery. She was fine?
I put it, Mom.
Daddy, yes, snowball.
Mets tes gants.
Nice job digging there, Barbara.
See a one car in the garage.
Ew.
Alright, we have to take it down. Snowing again, Barbie. They shoveled that. Shoveled that twice.
Mercedes, is he bothering you?
No, no.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'll go. Mom's looking for the snowplow. What?
He's not turning.
Our savior.
Yes, Barbara, I think it's a good time.
He'll do something. Get him.
Show some skin. 5 days later.
Turn. I don't think he can turn in yet.
He's got some work to do.
You are lucky, you are on the good side.
He goes both ways.
You think so?
Yeah.
Well, I think it snowed again. The expedition to save the swing set. We need to get the snow off the roof. We need a compass, John. We should bring a compass, some skis. Let me take a picture. Hold on, turn around. Walk, John. Go walk to your swing set.